When using a pivot table, sometimes depending how you set it up, you'll see here it says something called column labels and row labels. I'd actually rather have what these are, the destination, network, and the months. This is an easy fix. If you click in a pivot table, go to the pivot table analysis, but the design tab, and you'll see there's a report layout. And by default, Excel uses compact, but we can change it to outline form. When I click on it, you'll see that those labels will appear. Just to show you, these are the three exact same pivots. This is Excel's current default called compact. You'll see it only goes over 3 columns, but you'll see it talks about row labels. This is outline, but at least you can see here it's the type of call, the destination, the month, and this is tabular, which allows you to see everything in its own column.